Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2019 Toyota Tacoma SR5. Coming in this nice grayish blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter engine, has four-wheel drive capability, and comes equipped with the TRD Sport package. Taking a look back here, we got that tow hitch. We do get step bumper with a bed liner on this vehicle, mud flaps on the rear and front with turn light indicated mirrors. And moving to the front here, we do get a nice license plate bracket and that nice Toyota grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do get this nice gray cloth interior with some nice accents on it. You got some plenty of door space in the back, floor mats. We do get some storage here as well. A split folding rear bench seat, which you can lift up for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Lights, your outlets, aftermarket trailer brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 126,187 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, cruise control, lane centering, collision. You got your phone, mode, hold, voice, toggle for your channels, volume, and looking at our main screen here, we do get your kilometers, or so your digital speedometer, information about your fuel, compass, audio, information, messages, settings, and all that fun stuff. We do get tons of storage, parking brake, cup holder. We got more cup holders here with your gear select, center console with more storage here. You do get some power here. You do get a rear window opener, which is pretty handy. You got your auxiliary, 12-volt storage below. We got dual climate up front with heated front seats. Engine start-stop, four-wheel drive, hazards, all that fun. We got our traction just up here as well. And looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, phone, navigation. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, HD radio, which is pretty nice. Source, XM radio, CD, aux, USB. All your apps will be found right here, such as your navigation, which we're going to click into. Pretty handy. Can move it around. Phone, messages, eco mode, maintenance. I'm going to go home real quick. And all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8036A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.